Welcome to the incredible world of coral reefs, where magic thrives beneath the waves. Coral reefs are like bustling underwater cities, made up of beautiful corals that provide homes for countless sea creatures. I'm Finley, the adventurous clownfish. Join me as we explore the wonders of this magical place. But wait, the coral reef is in danger. Pollution and other dangers are threatening our beautiful home. But together, we can make a difference. Let's join hands to protect and preserve these incredible coral reefs for future generations. Thanks for joining us on this amazing underwater adventure. Remember, every small action counts in keeping our oceans and coral reefs beautiful and thriving.